Hello everybody. So this week's recipe is going to be a little quirky because I have this huge bag of non-dairy vegan caramel corn that I got at Disneyland. So I don't want to eat it just as is. So I thought to myself, what's a great way to reuse it? I'm gonna make some caramel corn inspired vegan non-dairy ice cream, and I'm going to process the popcorn so that it's small little kernels, and then I will add it to this ice cream. I'm really looking forward to it, and I hope you enjoy it too. Don't forget to share this recipe and subscribe to the channel. Share it with a baddie who loves healthy ice cream, healthier ice cream, because there is a bit of sugar in this popcorn. But regardless, thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you really enjoy. The ingredients for this recipe are really simple, and as always, they will be listed in the description of this video. So the first step is super easy. All you have to do is blend the popcorn in a food processor or in a blender. A lot of this will be done in a blender and then in an ice cream maker. You can also freeze everything in little ice cube trays if you prefer, and it's also super easy if you don't have an ice cream maker. The first step is to process caramel corn. Hopefully you have caramel corn, but if you don't, because you didn't go to Disneyland like I just did, don't worry about it. You can completely omit it and just have a beautiful regular ice cream that's chocolate based, or you can do a chocolate swirl. Once that caramel corn has been processed, set it aside. To make the base of our ice cream, we're going to take 1 can of sweetened condensed coconut milk, which is totally plant-based and really a nice replacement to regular condensed milk, and we'll add 120 grams of vegan chocolate. We want to heat the mixture so that the condensed milk is right about at that boiling point, but not boiling way too hot. We just want the condensed milk liquid to get warm so that it melts the chocolate really naturally. It's almost like making a ganache. After you've let it kind of hang out for 5 to 10 minutes, you can easily whisk it and you have a beautiful chocolate fudge base. Add 1.5 cups of soaked raw cashews in addition to evaporated oat milk. All of these are sweetened, so I don't add additional sugar, but if for some reason this isn't sweet enough for you, feel free to add monk fruit sweetener or regular sugar. Add vanilla extract, a teaspoon of salt, in addition to a 1/4 cup of coconut mana. You really need to add this ingredient because that saturated fat in the coconut will allow it to churn so much better in your ice cream maker, or just in general when you then mix up your ice cubes in your food processor or Vitamix. You add all of those ingredients to your already cold ice cream maker. Ideally, I'll leave it all in the description, but you would have put the base in your freezer overnight so that it's completely chilled. And then with your chocolate drizzle, you can do one of two things. You can add it to the base of your ice cream when it's still not churned so that it's chocolate flavored, or you can wait until the vanilla base is churned and then add a chocolate fudge swirl. I then added my 1.5 cups of caramel corn because I wanted to use it. You will have extra simply because you have so much corn, and that's basically the recipe, guys. At this point, the ice cream will have churned really beautifully, and you can tell because it's really congealed and frozen and kind of has the texture of gelato, and you want to scoop that up and add it to your freezer safe ice cream containers. I bought these a long time ago, and they're actually really wonderful because they prevent freezer burn. A lot of people just add a little bit of saran wrap on top of their ice cream. You can do this too, but this makes your life infinitely better, and it can last in the freezer for up to 6 months. Hey everyone, if you made it to the end of this video, I wanted to say thank you. I'm currently editing the current video that you're watching, and I'm walking on my walking pad as I finish editing up this video. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you for watching the video to its entirety if you did watch it, and let me know other ideas you want to see from this channel. Would you like to see different kinds of recipes or vlogs? I leave it up to you. So thank you again for watching. Thank you to all of those people that have hit subscribe. I've been working on this channel for a long time and it doesn't have a ton of traction. So that's okay though, because I do it for different reasons. So thank you to those that are subscribed. Thank you to those that watch, and thank you to those that try these recipes. I hope you really enjoy them. So until next Friday, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Hopefully this channel can take off eventually. And I wish you a wonderful day. Ciao!